Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is a practice to stop the craze and the brutal desires. Brahmacharya is an act of chaste leading to restore the power and the vigor. Brahmacharya means not to indulge. Brahmacharya is a discipline. Brahmacharya is popularly known as celibacy. The reason for celibacy is to check the energy from escaping. Brahmacharya is the mastery of the five senses of Indriyas. Indriya means sense organ. Apsara is the particular form of movement of prana in a particular nadi which causes sudden excitement for no reason at all. Brahmacharya is the practice to control or regulate the lower desire to reach the higher level. Brahmacharya is a discipline where the individual uses the senses and their organs purely with a spiritual motive. Brahmacharya is a sadhana to become Jitendriya. Jitendriya is a person who has conquered the senses. The practice of Brahmacharya develops the spiritual energy. The practice of Brahmacharya is not in violation of the nature and not in violation of the creative and the reproductive aspect of the law of the nature. We should follow the law of nature and never try to go against the law of nature. Brahmacharya is a divine conduct. Thus, the great seers and the sages of Bharat, India, have clearly explained Brahmacharya as the duty of the individual, especially man, to follow the rules. Manu, one of the authors of the moral codes, says, "Nothing is bad, whether the food, alcohol or sex, but one should avoid the extremities." The Vedic principles do not prescribe unintelligent, forced denial or suppression of any or all enjoyments. They advocate the principle of sublimation, the intelligent self-control by understanding of the higher values of life. The Upanishads clearly indicate to enjoy everything in the world judiciously, as everything is created by God for your enjoyment.